So let me ask you a quick question. Just exactly how much time do you spend in Ableton Session View? A lot? A little bit? Nothing at all? Another question. How familiar are you with Ableton Session View? Well, let me tell you, for the longest time, I knew absolutely nothing about Ableton Session View, and I always worked in the arrangement view. But then one day, for some reason, I decided to learn about the Session View, and let me tell you what I discovered. I discovered that working in Ableton without using the Session View is like playing the piano with one hand tied behind your back. Not so cool. Hey everyone, my name is Attila Hanek from the 16 Bar Studio, and I would like to welcome you to this brand new masterclass in collaboration with Production Music Live. In this masterclass, we are going to completely dissect Ableton's Session View. We'll take it from the basics all the way to the deep and complicated stuff. We will learn about the hidden features and we'll put our new knowledge to test in some practice scenarios. By the time you're done with this course, you are gonna know everything there is to know about this very cool but sometimes unfortunately neglected feature of Ableton. So just a couple of side notes or disclaimers. In this course, we are going to follow the Ableton reference manual very closely with illustrated example scenarios, of course. Why? Because it does a kick-ass job in explaining everything there is to know about Ableton. So why reinvent the wheel? And since the path to mastering Ableton Session View has a few kind of like chicken and egg, which one was first sort of scenarios, be sure to watch the entire course from beginning to end for everything to make perfect sense as a whole. There will be a quiz at the end of every section where you can test your knowledge if you want, so I encourage you to go through those as well. Don't worry, it's not graded, nobody's watching, there is no evil teacher. It's only there because doing a quiz is a great way to refresh your memory about what you just learned, but you're free to skip it if you like. Then some of the videos will have commenting enabled, so if you would like to contribute or if you have any questions, then feel free to use the comment section to do so. Last but not least, if there are any downloadable attachments to this course, you'll find them at the top section of this very video. And of course, if you have any questions for me personally, you can always reach me at info@the16bar.com. Okay, so are you ready? Let's dive in.